Substance abuse is a serious issue that affects many young people today. It includes the use of alcohol, drugs, and tobacco in ways that can be harmful to health and well-being. Substance abuse, and here is our definition. Understanding the dangers associated with these substances is crucial for making informed choices. Underage alcohol use. Drinking alcohol before the legal age of 21 can lead to severe consequences. Young people who consume alcohol are more likely to experience accidents, injuries, and risky behaviors. Studies show that underage drinking can harm brain development, leading to memory problems and difficulty in learning. Moreover, it increases the risk of developing alcohol dependency issues later in life. Alcohol abuse. For those who drink excessively, the dangers multiply. Alcohol abuse can lead to liver damage, heart disease, and mental health disorders such as depression and anxiety. Now, the liver is an extremely important organ in your body. Livers filter out toxins. They help keep our blood circulating the way that it should and keeping things clean. You need a liver to live. So when you damage it by alcohol use, it cannot be fixed. Same with heart disease. It's very important that we have a heart that works properly and correctly. That is another organ you can't live without. It can also result in dangerous behaviors like driving under the influence, which can lead to fatal accidents. Long-term alcohol abuse can ruin relationships and disrupt academic and professional goals. Illicit drug use. Illicit means illegal. Using illegal drugs poses significant risks as well. Drugs like marijuana, cocaine, and heroin have devastating effects on both the mind and body. They can alter judgment, increase aggression, and lead to addiction. Young people who use illicit drugs may face legal consequences and damage their future opportunities, including education and employment. Now, you might be thinking, wait, marijuana is legal in some states for people to use, and that is true. It is recreationally available in some places, but people who are using it must be over the age of 21, just like with alcohol. We live in North Dakota, where it is not legal to use marijuana recreationally. It is legal to have it used medically. So you need to have a doctor prescribe it to you, and then because it is a prescription, only you are allowed to use it. But similarly to alcohol abuse and alcohol use, marijuana can do bad things to people, especially young folks whose brains and bodies are still developing. So it's best to just stay away for that reason, and also for the reason that it is illegal in the state of North Dakota. Tobacco and vaping. Tobacco use has long been known to cause serious health problems, including cancer, lung disease, and cardiovascular issues. Many young people are now turning to vaping, often believing that it is a safer alternative. However, vaping still involves inhaling harmful chemicals that can lead to addiction to nicotine. Additionally, the long-term effects of vaping are still being studied, and that's because vaping was really only invented about 30 years ago. But early evidence suggests that it can damage lung health and lead to serious respiratory issues. Prescription drug abuse. Prescription drugs, when used without a doctor's guidance, can be just as dangerous as illegal drugs. Many teens misuse medications like opioids, stimulants, and sedatives, thinking they are safe because they are prescribed. However, misuse can lead to addiction, overdose, and even death. It's vital to understand that just because a drug is prescribed does not mean it is harmless. It's very important to use prescription drugs the way they have been prescribed to you and only if they are prescribed to you. In conclusion, the dangers of substance abuse are real and can have lasting impacts on young lives. By being aware of these risks, students can make better choices and seek help if they or someone they know is struggling with substance use. Understanding these dangers is the first step towards a healthier future.